NASA's latest rover landed on Mars and it is named as Perseverance rover. After the landing, it sent pictures and audios to Earth. Even though it has sent many pictures earlier, these images were technically very much perfect than the earlier pictures. This is indeed a historic achievement. Now we have the pictures of the spacecraft landing on the red planet. What we are seeing now are those beautiful scenes from Mars. This high-definition camera started to work 11 kilometers away from the landing on the surface of Mars. Although we have used cameras in previous missions, it was not possible to use this sort of high-definition cameras earlier. The parachute that Perseverance used also has a speciality. We have never used a parachute as heavy as this. Along with the Perseverance rover, a microphone was attached to it. The aim was to record the sound from Mars. But that microphone didn't work when it got landed. Therefore, we were not able to record the sound during the time of landing. But after 2 days of landing, that is on February 20, the microphone got turned on for 1 minute duration. The recorded audio clips has been sent to Earth by Perseverance rover. The 60-second audio clip is mostly silent, but for a few seconds we could hear the sounds like the beautiful sound of the wind blowing in Mars. On February 22nd, that is after 4 days of landing, we got a panorama picture of Mars. For filming the panorama picture, 2 navigation cameras were attached to Perseverance. With the help of that, we got many beautiful pictures from Mars. And that is the picture shown here now. NASA's Perseverance rover is the 5th rover to Mars. Perseverance is a 6-wheeled robotic astrologist. None of these pictures surprised us, but the ones that did were those pictures that the rover has recorded after 230 seconds entering into the atmosphere of Mars. The speed of the rover was 20,100 kilometers per hour, and the cameras attached to the rover helped us to take the pictures. The first part of the video is dark and we couldn't see anything during the time because the parachute compartment was just in front of the camera. But after a few seconds, the parachute moves away and later we could see some beautiful pictures. The soil, which has remained largely unchanged for billions of years, is now moving rapidly. The little rover that we have launched from the Earth is making the soil to move continuously, and there we could also see some strong winds. The biggest mission of Perseverance rover is astrobiology in Mars, and that is why we call Perseverance as robotic astrobiologist. Did any living organism survive in Mars in ancient times? If so, then their remains will be there, and hence studies could be conducted on them. Hence, the aim of Perseverance rover is to collect and send some remains or rock particles to Earth for further studies. Not only this, Perseverance also studies on the climate change and the type of soil on Mars. Using these studies, it will be more helpful for human exploration. NASA, in collaboration with European Space Agency, also brings another mission for sending those samples that Perseverance collects from Mars. NASA analyzes the space in which Perseverance stays, and also the specialities are always being checked accurately. Only after proper checking, every instrument attached to it will start working. The first instrument that is going to work is an instrument which studies about weather. It is called Mars Environmental Dynamic Analyzer. We still have a long way to go. There's a lot of research to be done by Perseverance on Mars. And the interesting fact is that we can see all the visuals from the Earth itself. Hence, man can travel to Mars without going to Mars.
Want to join us on our journey to the greatest mysteries and sensational discoveries? Then subscribe to Bright Kerlite English and never miss any of our videos in the future. Remember to give our posters a thumbs up to show us that we keep you engaged with our content.